Hello viewers, this is the and tricks of the drawing a nice tree. Let's put the yellow first like this. You can see the variations of the colors. So lots of yellow we're going to put. You can see my hands, I'm just moving the crayons like a circle. Alright, also in the bottom I'm putting it like a circle. Now I'm going to take a darker shades, putting in the middle. And other darker shades you can see from the variations. Just putting some special colors emphasis. Okay, now we're putting this one. Okay, so the tree branches are partially visible. Just some overlapping designs here you can see. And few drops from the tree is falling on the ground. Also putting few drops. Okay, just outlining the trees. And the branches. Okay, so this is a nice combinations of the trees. Very easy and smart way to draw. I've shown you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.